Restaurants across Davidson County should now be closed to dine-in customers for the night in yet another move to combat the increasing number of COVID-19 cases. A public health order issued earlier this week requires all restaurants to close their dining rooms at 10 p.m.
And that's not all. The health department has now banned all party barges from the streets of Nashville. News Channel 5's Jason Lim is live on Lower Broadway for us. And Jason, are those buses getting the messages?
Well, it's unclear because we have seen several of those party barges and party buses still on the streets tonight. In fact, you can see one right back there turning onto Broadway, still out on the street, even though they are not supposed to be. But after this restaurant closure order goes into effect, which it is now, we are tonight and for the foreseeable future entering a whole new Nashville.
The new rules about restaurant closures were largely a surprise to visitors on Lower Broadway.
Sounds like we're not going to have a very good time while we're here.
But the health department put the new rules in place to keep large groups from forming late at night, something contact tracers say has been spreading COVID-19 in Nashville. But visitors said they wish rules were more consistent, even across the country.
I know there's a set of rules, but then it seems like every city and state has its own rules. And the own governors are kind of going by their own ideas. Like, there's not a solid idea that's out there.
Late this afternoon, the health department also banned party buses and party barges in Nashville, on top of the pedal taverns that were already banned. But it was clear in the hours after the order, many party buses either didn't know about the new rules or didn't heed them. Others who live in Nashville who aren't here to party say they'd like to see things restricted even further, like in the spring, when we were able to flatten the curve.
We're like a dog chased through the tail. We're not getting nowhere. To be real, I think we should just shut everything down and just really try to get rid of this virus, because it's really not going nowhere.
Tonight, a new Nashville begins, while in many ways, it's the same old Lower Broadway.
Now, those restaurants that are now closed for the night can open back up again tomorrow morning at 5. Live on Lower Broadway tonight, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Interesting. Thank you, Jason.